Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about a name you've always trusted, a company that's making a massive comeback, Nokia. That's right, they're about to drop a new mid-range phone that's going to absolutely blow your mind. Get ready for the Nokia NX Pro 5G. This isn't just another phone, this is a game changer. Imagine a massive 200-megapixel DSLR camera, paired with the incredibly powerful Snapdragon 8's Gen 4 processor. But here's the best part, all of this is coming at a price that's unbelievably affordable. So, let's not waste another second. Let's dive right into the full details of this beast. Let's start. Features of the Nokia NX Pro 5G. Display. First up, let's talk about the screen. You're getting a huge 6.85-inch Full HD Plus LTPO OLED display, with a stunning 1.5K resolution. This means whether you're binging your favorite shows, or crushing a new game, the experience is going to be jaw-dropping. Plus, with a super smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, and a rapid 390 Hz touch sampling rate, every swipe and tap feels incredibly responsive. And for that seamless unlock, you've got an in-display fingerprint sensor. Camera. In today's world, a great camera is non-negotiable, and the Nokia NX Pro 5G delivers in a big way. It features a quad-camera setup, with a monstrous 200-megapixel main sensor. But that's not all, you also get a 32-megapixel, a 24-megapixel, and a 5-megapixel sensor to capture every type of shot, from sweeping landscapes to detailed close-ups. And for all you selfie lovers out there, the 50-megapixel front camera will make sure every self-portrait is absolutely flawless. Performance. A phone is only as good as its engine, and the Nokia NX Pro 5G is packing some serious heat. It's powered by the latest and most powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8's Gen 4 chipset. This chip ensures lightning-fast, smooth performance for everything you do. And it's set to run on the Android 16 operating system, giving you all the latest features and security updates. Battery anxiety, that's about to become a thing of the past. This phone is equipped with a massive 7500 mAh battery that can easily last you all day. And if you do run low, no worries. The incredible 125-watt fast charging support will get you back to 100% in a flash. Price and launch date. So, how much is this powerhouse going to cost? Well, this phone is expected to be priced around $430, which is an absolute steal for these features. While there's no official launch date yet, rumors are buzzing that we could see this phone hit the market by the end of this year. Are you excited about the Nokia NX Pro 5G? Let me know in the comments below.